How to use iPhone Notes. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your Notes folders. From here, go to the top right corner and tap on the New Folder icon. Name the new folder and then tap on the tick icon at the top right. After that, tap on this folder to open it. Here, tap on the New Note icon at the bottom right corner. You can now create a new note from here. Add in a title and description for this note. After that, swipe left to view all the editing options and tools as shown. For example, tap on the bold icon to bold the text. Then, tap on the font icon to change the text format. As you can see, you can also change the text color from here. If you want to attach a file to this note, then tap on the attachment icon. From the options, tap on Choose a photo or video. Now, choose any photo from your library and then tap on the tick icon. You have now added this photo to this note. Following these steps, you can easily use iPhone Notes.